Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. In earlier days, mechanical engineering students were limited to working on machines. Their course syllabus was involved studying various types of systems and mechanisms. But the current syllabus involves designing machines, and also making various complex designs. These complex designs are possible with heavy software like AutoCAD. So, you need to have a laptop that supports the software and features. With the help of a laptop, you can design the model without creating it physically. This concept will save you a lot of time and energy. You need the best laptop to keep up with their projects and productivity tasks. Also, the laptop needs to be a little more portable with an attractive design. While purchasing a laptop, there are certain features that you need to look into. Especially, the processing power, memory size, storage unit and screen size. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. Because when it comes to buying the right product, there's a lot to look out for. We have done immense research and hard work to bring out the 3 best laptops for you. These devices are well suited for different levels of engineering designs. We've also ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description below. Links to all the laptops mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Lenovo Legion Y740. Lenovo Legion Y740 is perfectly designed for engineers. They perform excellently while playing games in high settings. Design. It has a clean, minimalistic, and industrial design. It is also very well built, being made up almost entirely of aluminum. You get a nice and clean design compared to other laptops. Overall, the build quality felt solid, and it has zero flex on it. It weighs around 6.3 pounds. The hinge feels nice and stiff. Display. It comes with a 17.3 inches Full HD IPS display. The viewing angles are good, and the colors are pretty accurate. It's capable of 100% sRGB coverage, allowing you to do creative work. It has an impressive display that lets you play modern games. Performance. The power of winning is in your hands when you are working on the Legion Y740. It gives you desktop-like performance. It comes with Intel Core i7-9750H processor and GTX 2080 GPU. It is also loaded with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The GTX graphics processor offers an exciting gaming experience. Keyboard. You get a full-sized keyboard with a number pad on the right. The keyboard lets you type easily and quickly. It comes with a responsive RGB backlit. The backlighting is fully customizable by using the Lenovo Vantage software. The keys are well spaced and designed to prevent slipping. The keys feel nice and give very tactile feedback. The response of the trackpad is quick and accurate. The trackpad runs Windows Precision drivers. Connectivity. You get a pretty healthy amount of ports on this device. It lets you connect to almost all your peripherals with its array of ports. It comes with an HDMI port, Ethernet port, USB ports, and more. The Wi-Fi connectivity can be set up very quickly. Battery. The battery life on this device is pretty good. You can get 6 hours of usage on your regular work. Speakers. You get 2 side-firing speakers with the sound woofer. The woofer brings more punching in the bass department. The mids and highs are very clear and pristine as well. Webcam. The webcam is located at the top of the bezel. Although, there is no support for Windows Hello. Operating system. The operating system of Legion Y740 is Windows 10 Pro, which works perfectly. Windows 10 Pro is fully compatible with all programming software. Conclusion. You will not face any problem while you are working for a long time, because Legion Y740 comes with an excellent cooling system. Plus, it supports a feature that includes a processor and GPU cooling. Acer Aspire 5. Acer Aspire series has delivered some of the best value for money laptops in recent years. It is packed with excellent value-based performance that delivers excellent bang for your buck. It has an attractive lightweight design, solid battery life, and an affordable price. You're going to get the super spacious palm rest space. It comes with a fingerprint scanner, which is a welcome feature. Design. The plastic body of this device is covered with a beautiful brushed metal look. This metal look gives it a premium look, and it makes it stand apart from its competition. This laptop is also pretty thin and portable. The hinge is pretty decent in quality, and it does not wobble too much. In terms of weight, this laptop weighs around 3.9 pounds approximately. If you are going to be carrying it all day long, you'll definitely feel that added weight. But it's not crazy heavy, and it is still lighter than some of the competition laptops. Display. It comes with a 15.6-inch in-plane switching display with full HD resolution. The IPS panel has good viewing angles, and sides bezels are minimal too. The brightness is more than sufficient for any indoor and outdoor settings. But this device is not suitable for a power creativity user. Performance. The Acer Aspire 5 Slim continues to amaze all of us with its incredible performance. This laptop is rocking AMD's Ryzen 3 processor and Vega 3 integrated graphics. It is also equipped with 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of SSD to deliver fast booting times. If you do light video editing, then it offers smooth performance. You can definitely game on this laptop. However, prolonged gaming does lead to thermal throttling. Keyboard. This keyboard is definitely the better one I've seen on the laptops. The keys on this keyboard are nice and tactile. You have a reasonable amount of key travel for each key. Overall, the keyboard does not feel finicky, loose or cheap. You do have a dedicated 10-key number pad. Thankfully, the whole keyboard is fully backlit, and the backlighting is decent. The overall quality of the trackpad is decent. The clicks are nice, subtle and tactile at the same time. Connectivity. The ports diversity is pretty reasonable on this laptop. You get an Ethernet jack, HDMI port, and a few USB ports. Acer has fitted in 2 LED indicators for power and charging. Battery. The battery life is perfect, and it delivers an outstanding performance. You get 9 hours of battery life, which is pretty reasonable. However, heavy usage can very quickly drop to as low as 5 hours. Speakers. In terms of audio, the Aspire 5 has bottom-firing dual speakers. The stereo speaker setup is pretty decent. Webcam. The bezels are pretty thin, and you have a pretty small chin. On the top, you have a 720p camera for your online calling or Zoom meeting. Conclusion. Its sleek design and metallic top finish make it look nice and premium. Also, the high-quality tactile keyboard is a pleasure to type on. Furthermore, you have a pretty decent sounding stereo speaker system. The productivity and multitasking are perfect in this laptop. LG Gram 15. The 15-inch laptop from LG is one of the lightest and most portable laptops. It is considerably lighter than Apple's new MacBook Pro. It comes under the premium laptop lineup. Design. LG has done a respectable job with the build on the 15-inch. You're getting a nanocarbon magnesium alloy casing with a decent build quality. The top deck doesn't have much flex, and the bottom panel also is much better than expected. The hinge is well made, and it's actually one-hand openable, despite being so thin. This laptop is exceptionally light, and it's just around 2.4 pounds. It has a lighter weight with a significantly bigger screen. It's incredibly light and easy to carry around. Display. Opening the screen, you can see that the bezels are really thin. The display is a 1080p IPS panel with glossy finish, and it's a touch screen. It gets reasonably bright enough for any kind of indoor work. The viewing angles and the color gamut are also fantastic. Performance. The Intel i7 CPU and Iris Plus graphics are great performers for light to moderate tasks. The 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of SSD storage are also excellent. The graphics will allow you to play basic games like CSGO and Breaksin. It comes with very standard specs for you to study and work. Keyboard. The keyboard is backlit, and it is comfortable to use. The keys feel responsive enough, and it's roomy. There's a number pad on the right side. The trackpad is accurate, and the click mechanism feels good. Connectivity. The port selection is pretty good for a device like this. There's a micro SD slot, audio jack, a bunch of USB ports, and an HDMI port. Battery. On this model, you will be able to comfortably get 8 hours of regular use. You can go through a full day of use without bringing your charger around. Speakers. The speakers are good, and they don't have some fantastic in terms of audio quality. but they're clear enough to make your day. They're positioned in a way that they actually fire outwards toward the sides. The stereo effect is really pronounced on this device. Webcam. The webcam is located on the bottom hinge because of the bezels. Conclusion. The 15-inch touchscreen is above the average. The brightness, color accuracy and viewing angles are all pretty good. The keyboard is comfortable to use, and the backlighting is a very welcome addition. Final verdict. Recommended laptop for mechanical engineering student is LG Gram 15. Which is your top pick from today's video, Acer Aspire 5, or LG Gram 15? Let me know about your top pick, in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the latest and detailed laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. You can select and buy your favorite laptop from the Amazon link given in the description. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.